Alright, yo, what's up, guys? So, today, Today, we're going over the news today. We had PMI and non-farm unemployment changes. Up. The non-farm unemployment change was way lower than expected, and which just weakens the dollar because there's not people working. Like, why the hell would we not want people? I mean, look, 5K to negative 32K. That is not good for the dollar at all. And ISM Services PMI was up, but the market right now, like, that matters, but you can't, like, I feel like I've been telling you to only take an account of the news now, but you also have to take apart, like what do people in the market think? Like, people are dependent, like, they're leaning towards rate cuts, and rate cuts are going to happen when, they want to stimulate the market when it's down, it's not doing as well. And rate cuts won't happen when the market's up, mortgage rates are high, blah, 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 and they put rate cuts down so people can put more money in the market, spend more, business spend more productivity. But they don't do rate cuts when, the market's already, got a lot of that, prices are high, there's a lot of demand, and they want to slow down the market. So right now we're depending on rate cuts, which means the market is slow right now. Prices are low, mortgage rates are low, mortgages are low, and they want yeah. So the jobs are weakening, inflation, they're cooling, PMI is slowing, and everyone expecting rate cuts. So you can't only go off services PMI. It might be up, but they want to kind of stimulate the market right now. And starting with PMI, it's good. But the British pound is just stronger right now. Everyone's leaning for rate cuts. Market's just down right now, so dollar not as strong as it is to the pound. So yeah. So we have weak jobs right now. Look at that. So people are definitely dependent on rate cuts, which ISM Services PMI is not going to dig us out of that hole. It's just one little indicator. It is like a huge part of the market, but you got to think what else is happening in the market and what other people are looking at. So that's why you got to do some research on it, because we can see a huge jump here. I think it's the highest it is in a month, I think. Let's go to like the 1 hour. Yeah. Highest it is in a month. Yeah, highest it is in a month. So, pound's getting stronger. So look for bear signals, or maybe bears, because they're stimulating the market. So long term, you can probably see the dollar making its comeback, because people are most likely to depend on rate cuts and kind of make the dollar stronger. I didn't see what President Trump had to say today, but I'll have to look at that. I wanted to say one other thing. Oh yeah. So again, as I said, markets don't only care about headline. You have to look at the context of it. So when you look at the context of, take a deeper dive on what maybe the Fed wants and what people in the market want, and how the market's reacting, not just from some stupid number. I'm just telling you what this number signifies. But you can't just take it. You have to look at all aspects. That's why I think. That's why I think some people lose so much money in the market, is because they see one thing, one little piece of news, one little analysis, something small, and they're like, "This is the indicator. This is the big indicator." But you gotta take into account there are millions of other people in the market. Thousands of decisions are being made each day. And some analysis isn't gonna, prove everything. Like, you gotta take your time and research and look at all the other aspects. And more importantly, to dive deep. So yeah. And plus, let's see the other stuff. And these were both the prices, which is a big thing, is under. It's under. Market's contracting. That's when the Fed wants the rate cuts to stimulate the market. So, out of all this, down, 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 down. So, Consumer Price Index. Where was that at? No. PPI Price Index. That's down. That's down. Retail side. So exactly, like, the market is contracting right now. And this is when Fed wants rate cuts stimulated, and one little icing services PMI or whatever is not going to show it. So just because you guys saw that, I want to make sure, because that's what I looked at it and I dove deeper and I was like, what am I doing? Lock in. So that's my lesson for today. Is when it comes to news, understand this stuff. Understand when the Fed wants to cut rates. Understand what's going on in the market right now. And just don't look at it and be like, oh, it says above 50 indicates expansion, below indicates contraction. So if it's below, the market's going to go down. So I'm going to short it. No. Your daily bias. If you're going to trade on news day, read about the other news. Look at past news. Read these freaking, forums. Maybe that'll help. But just don't do anything. Just look at it and make a decision solely based on just the numbers. Dive deep, read an article. Use ChatGPT, bro. I don't know if that's going to help you, but use anything, alright? Just to get some knowledge that backs up your decision. That's it for today. Yeah, alright. So, that was under pressure right now. So, look for rate cuts. And if you guys are going to be trading on that rate cut release date, and just make sure you can back it up. Because that would suck if you guys just get stopped out in the opposite fucking direction. Alright. Peace, everyone. Thank you. And for anyone that does watch this shit, bro, thank you. I'm doing this for like 2 weeks or something. Kind of fun. I'll just keep track of my trades and stuff, but see you when the next time we'll be trading Friday. Fuck me, bro. Maybe we can trade on this day. I'll trade tomorrow. Not this one, though. Trade on Monday next week. God damn, bro. December's just... December, you gotta take it slow. Forgot about that. December, you gotta take it slow. Only trade on days that you want to trade. Or that it's best to trade, because today, not a good day. Alright. Peace, everyone. Thank you for watching, and see you tomorrow for maybe possibly a trade recap. I kind of got to look at the unemployment claims and see how that's going to affect it, but thank you, everyone. Peace. Yeah. See ya.